So what you have to do to fix this problem is by using the common fixing method. So this is the common fixing method. What you have to do is to tap on your power button for small, tap on restart to restart or reboot your device. After restarting or rebooting your device, and this is still not working, what you have to do is to go to your your Google Play Store app, search for the name of the app, which is the Lloyds Bank mobile banking. Then after that, you have to tap on update over here. When you can find update on your device, then tap on it to get the latest updates of this app. When you have seen open over here, what you have to do is you just leave it like that, then go back and tap on your app for some while, then you tap on the app info. Then after tapping on the app info, tap on full stop, then you tap on OK. After that, tap on notifications, then make sure this show notification is turned on like this. Then we have to go back, tap on permissions and make sure you allow every permission over here. Go back and tap on storage and cache, tap on the clear cache to clear the cache. You have to go back and also tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure the background data is turned on like this. After doing this, what you have to do is to restart your device. So tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart, then tap on OK to get your device reboot or restart. And this problem is going to get fixed after doing this. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and also share this video with your friends.